Let's launch the drone. All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel. Fly and Ride here. So the scene may look very similar. As a matter of fact, just yesterday, I attempted to do the very thing that I'm about to do with you right now, which is go on a ride and show you one of the many awesome parks that Monmouth County has to offer. However, Mother Nature had a different plan for me. And if you haven't seen the video, I'm gonna click it up here. You're gonna want to check this out. Right before I was going out for a ride yesterday, I sent the drone up because there were storms in the forecast. So I figured, hey, why not send a drone, use the new rack that I have in the back, launch it up, see how close the storm really is, and see if I actually can make it out for a ride, get a quick video and show you guys and gals all the stuff we have to offer. Well, as you saw from the video, and if you haven't, again, click it up here, I sent the drone up. The storm definitely looked like it was close by, and within seconds, literally, I had the storm upon us and about 60-mile-an-hour winds, which forced me to immediately land a drone. I was thoroughly impressed with the DJI's ability, particularly the Mavic Pro 2, which is the one that I have, with its ability to just literally fly against the wind and land it safely without cause. So again, hopefully you got a chance to check out that video. If you didn't, go up here. Pretty comical. I can laugh about it now because nothing happened. Certainly I wouldn't have taken it up had I known that the wind and or the storm was so close by. But I'm glad that I did, because otherwise I would have been stuck in that storm riding the motorcycle, and that's the last thing I wanted to do, especially with those high winds and potential hail. So I'm going to take you on a ride to one of the many parks, as I committed in prior videos. I'm going to take it to as many parks as possible, take you on the ride, send a drone up and show you some cinematic views of all of these awesome parks. Again, if you're new to the channel, in this channel I focus on motovlogs, ride videos, upgrades, cinematic drone flights, you name it, all things riding the 2020 Street Glide CVO that you see right here, sand dune, all over the amazing roads across New Jersey. So do me a favor, if you like that content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and also remember to hit that like button. It also helps out the channel, and you're going to want to stick around. I've got a lot more videos planned for you. So enjoy the ride and the flight on the way to one of the many parks today in Monmouth County area. So much better weather today, as you can see. Let me tell you, those storms yesterday, if you were in New Jersey, if you know, you know, it was crazy. I mean, it was everything. Hail, lightning, and 60-mile-an-hour gusts. There's a lot of traffic going on here. Well, this first park we're going to go into, called Normandy Park. You can see it's still under construction. You got a little motorcycle action here. Got the basketball scene. They just redid this whole parking lot here. And they built a brand new field that I'm going to show you here in a second. I'm not going to fly the drone here because I'm actually taking you to a different park. But you can see it here. That's all brand new right there. And it's turf. This is Normandy Park, Monmouth County. I hope you're enjoying the beautiful scenery, showing you around. The place we're going to, then I'm gonna fly the drone when I get there so I can show you around from the top so you can get some cinematic views. It's called the Sunnyside Equestrian Center. It's run by a non-profit called SPUR, S-P-U-R. Obviously it's an acronym. I can't remember what it's called exactly. I'll put it up in the video here. But this non-profit actually manages some of these equestrian centers across the county. And the equestrian center focuses on therapeutic rides for people with disabilities as a way to provide therapy, which I think is pretty awesome. It's great that there are organizations out there that focus on doing these important activities and really supporting people with disabilities, which I think is awesome. So great job. Again, the organization is called SPUR, S-P-U-R, and I'll put it up here what it stands for, and then we'll show you around. We'll ride around it first, and then we'll send the drone up. It's actually closed, so I'm not gonna be able to go in here, but I'm gonna come over to the right here. Let's launch the drone. Everybody, hopefully you enjoyed that nice flight. Trying to show you one of the many parks in Monmouth County, as I've committed to in prior videos. This is the Sunnyside Equestrian Center. Trying to catch that sunset. Yeah, there it is. Oh, that's a beaut. Nothing like going for a nice ride, checking out the sunset, checking out the sceneries. You wanna race? Everybody, that's going to do it for this video. Do me a favor, if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and hit that like button. Also remember to hit that subscribe button And remember to hit that bell icon so you can be reminded of future uploads. Thanks for watching.